We left Monterey last night. We traveled up north, went through San Francisco again, and found a place to stay overnight. Now we're going to do a little waterfall hike that's nearby. I'm excited. Are you excited? There's Kevin's new shower spot. We're on this hike.
She said this is the nature portion. Oh, so far we've been in cities mostly, but now we're getting into nature. We don't even want to be in a city for the next week.
What did you find in your sandwich?
Oh, funny you should ask. Avocado pit.
He just goes, "Are you trying to kill me, lady?" It was tiny because those are the avocados we bought alongside the road.
Big enough to get stuck in your esophagus.
We were just talking and we've come up with some advice. If you have kids.
If you're going north through California, just hop on the 101, get there for the kids. But if not, take the scenic route, Highway 1. You'll see all this wildlife and wilderness.
I just got a text from my sister saying there were 2 huge earthquakes that hit. We haven't heard anything, but we also don't have phone service, so we can't even look it up. But they're warning of tsunamis all along the west coast. There's like 1 million people still around here. So we're gonna try to figure out what's going on.
We may head inland back to the 101. We'll see what happens. So we went inland, but it's 111 degrees. So since we're not getting any tsunami warnings, we're going back to the coast where it's 65 degrees.
We stopped and disc golfed. The whole thing was up and down hills. I thought I was gonna die. And then we found a Planet Fitness.
Yeah, we showered and got back on the 101 and we're just enjoying ourselves. It's the world's tallest redwood carving. It's not like 50 feet. Never mind, everybody. The 101 is pretty cool.
We were parked in a neighborhood this morning, and whoever lived there saw our van and started following us. But she also gave us some recommendations. She told us to come to Trinidad. So we have stopped here. We're gonna hang out here for a bit, maybe stay here overnight. But it has been the best. I'm so glad she told us to come here, so thank you. How are those?
Pretty good. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Nice weather.
Nice course. Mm-hmm. These are the courses that I like. I don't like all the wooded crap. Ooh. Pretty.
Nice throw.
That's right where I wanted it to go.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah. Bye.
I'm 1 over.
Ooh, I'm 4 over, which actually is pretty good for me. Ooh.
Far.
Your feelings were wrong.
All right, I'm coming up. Can we get down there? Oh, dude.
Hey, little guy.
Crabs. There's a spider that looks like a tarantula right there.
Ew, I hate it.
What is that? I think that's as far as we can go. Wow, dude.
We are headed to the Redwoods. We're gonna do some hiking. We came here last year in our van and we loved it, so I'm super excited to be headed back. Are you?
Dude, no one's more excited than I am.
Yeah, because it's different than anywhere else that we've hiked. It's like a weird vibe, so I'm into weird vibes. But
And it's super foggy. I wouldn't have it any other way.
yeah, because it adds to the creepiness.
It adds to the ambiance. Climb in there. Oh.
One reason we love hiking the Redwoods, there's no bugs. Right? It's crazy. And it's nice and cool.
What'd you find?
I have a redwood pin because we're in the Redwoods right now. So shove it in.
Nice. Yep.